Patriotism should unite us and not divide us. But lately we've seen a growing trend. And that's one that uses national pride to fuel resentment, particularly between Canadians and the United States. Instead of addressing the real issues that we have right now, like affordability, government accountability, and economic growth, some voices choose to stoke anger toward neighbors. The phrase "never let a crisis go to waste" really comes to mind. Supporting Canadian businesses is great. We should absolutely invest in our own economy. But let's be clear, boycotting everything American and turning this into a hostile divide does not solve our problems. It distracts from them. Canada and the US have deep economic and cultural ties. Instead of using patriotism as a weapon, let's focus on what really matters. Let's focus on building a stronger country by addressing our own challenges head on. Patriotism is not about blame. It's about action, and it's about demanding better from our leaders, strengthening our communities, and working together for real solutions. Don't fall for the distractions. Don't let them divide us. Let's keep our focus where it belongs. Start looking at who needs to be replaced in the government. Start looking at who's going to help us and who's going to hurt us. Let's stick together. United, we find victory. Divided, everybody knows. Please throw a comment out there. Let me know what you think.